Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 10 CBSE syllabus 6th chapter triangles. In the previous videos I have given an introduction about the triangles, that is similarity of triangles, that is a new concept we are learning this time. Then the next one is based on that basic proportionality theorem I have given you. Okay, so these things are very important before going into the exercise sums. So now I will continue with exercise 6.2. But exercise 6.1 is a very simple thing only. We are having 5 fill in the blanks and similarity of any two figures, like that only it is given. So you can do by yourself. Exercise 6.1. Only fill in the blanks and 1 or 2 sums, very simple sums are only given. Okay. So I didn't do that exercise. I will continue with exercise 6.2. So this 6.2 is based on the similarity of triangles and basic proportionality theorem. So other than basic proportionality theorem, what is basic proportionality theorem? It is when a line divides any two sides of a triangle. When a line divides any two sides of a triangle, that is when it is parallel to the other side, then that line divides the given triangle, given sides in the same ratio. So A, B, C, D and E. So if DE is drawn parallel to BC, okay, then AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So this is the basic proportionality theorem. In short, we will say that as BPT. So the converse of BPT is the other thing, that is when a line divides the triangle in some common ratio. If it is given like that, then the line is parallel to the third side. So, the same converse of the same thing. Okay, here line is drawn parallel, so the sides are proportional, we will say. Here the converse is the sides are proportional, so the given two lines are parallel. So, that is the converse. So, these two theorems we are going to use and do the exercise sums. Okay. So, now first sum I have drawn already. It is given in the figure 1 and 2, DE parallel to BC. Find EC in 1. So, ABC is the triangle given. We are asked to find the unknown value, that is EC. The condition given is DE is parallel to BC. Okay. So, in the second figure, we are asked to find AD. For that also, DE is parallel to BC. So, these are the things we are going to find. So, for finding that, the same thing, the basic proportionality theorem only we are going to use. So, in that, the question itself, it is given they are parallel. So, obviously, the sides are proportional. So, we will substitute the given values in the proportional sides and find the unknown value. Okay. So, first one is given DE parallel to BC. Okay. Then by basic proportionality theorem, then by BPT, AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. The sides are proportional. If it is given as parallel in a triangle, if the parallel is given, when a line is drawn, when that line is parallel to the third side of the triangle, then the sides are in proportional. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So, AD is, the side is given as 1.5 by 3 is equal to AE is 1 centimeter by, we are asked to find EC. Okay. So, here EC into 1.5 cross multiply is equal to 3. So, EC is equal to 3 by 1.5. So, when we simplify this, we will get 30 by 15, that is equal to 2 centimeter. So, the length of EC is 2 centimeter. That's all. So, then second one. So, second one we are asked to find AD. So, here also it is given DE by BC. So, given DE parallel to, not by DE parallel to BC it is given. So, by basic proportionality theorem, then by basic proportionality theorem, AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Okay, so AD we are asked to find the measurement of that. Then DB is 7.2 is equal to AE is 1.8 divided by EC is 5.4 centimeter. So AD into 5.4 is equal to 1.8 into 7.2. So in all the thing, okay, AD is equal to 1.8 into 7.2 divided by 5.4. Okay, so in all the terms we are having a decimal point, so we will multiply it by 10. So in all the terms when we multiply it by 10, okay. So the numerator and denominator alone we will multiply by 10. So we will get AD is equal to 1.8. That we will multiply by 10. So we will get 18 there. So 18 into 7.2 divided by 54. Okay, then 18 3s are 8 3s are 54. 18 3s are 54. Okay, then when we divide this 7.2 by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. So 2.4 centimeter. So the length of AD is 2.4 centimeter. So this one, both the sums we have used basic proportionality theorem. So these type of sums definitely will get in board exam in 1 mark sum. Okay, so you use, but definitely we need to write this one. For this, mark is allotted. Then by basic proportionality theorem. So you practice as many sums as possible. This is only missing terms. This is only missing terms. Only these things are very important. Okay, whatever is given, by what theorem you are proving this, then since it is proportional, we are using this property. Okay, so practice all the sums. The next sum we will do it in the next class. Thank you.